Welcome to the Thai Microcosmos, where we look at some of the smallest but most beautiful things Thailand has to offer. Using high-quality optics, we enter a hidden world of wondrous color, teeming with life, collected from fresher marine waters throughout Thailand. We reveal unique cell mechanics, and microscopic processes that affect our world. From the very large to the extremely small. From cellular reproduction to the creation of life and the inevitability of death. Scenes to inspire thoughtful meditation, and others to make you smile. Various visualization techniques, such as fluorescence, polarization, phase contrast, and dark field illumination, are used to enhance what we see. There's always a surprise to find in the next sample. Join us as we explore the hidden mysteries of the Thai Microcosmos.